Hey, what's up everybody? We have an unboxing video today here. It is the Rocketfish 7 outlet power manager. As you can see down here, it says 7 outlet power manager. I wanted to do this unboxing because a lot of people that I see that do unboxing videos or technology reviews or things like that never seem to unbox these. You always see them in their setups, you see them mounted under desks and everything, but they never actually unbox these. So that's what we're gonna do today. So first of all, it's from Rocketfish, as you can tell, and it is a power manager to plug in. It is a how do you say there, energy saving technology, it says, and it says power manager. Now there is a little bit of a difference in these kind of devices. You hear people use the term power manager, power strip, and surge protector interchangeably, and they are actually not. A power strip is just an average, basically wall outlet splitter. That what it does is it turns one outlet into usually about 7 or 8 or so, all the way up to 12. I've seen them. Usually pretty safely. You have a surge protector, which this one has one built in, but a surge protector is like what's under my main desk, and that basically what it does is it is there so in case, has a fuse in it, so in case the power goes out, it has a very, very low risk of damaging the electronics that are plugged into it. And living out here in the South, we have a lot of very bad weather and a lot of temperamental weather, and so those are always good. The reason a power manager like this is different is you'll see here, and it actually explains in the back, you'll see here there's a plug here, and I don't think I can get this thing to actually focus correctly, but you'll see here there's a plug down here on the end where my thumb is, and the green text above it says master. And so basically, if I have the switch down here on the end turned on, if I turn off the whatever the electronic is that's plugged into the master, it can turn off all the peripherals as well. So that's a really cool feature if you want to save energy and you're forgetful to turn off screens and stuff like I am. So looking at the outside of the box, it says here, 7 outlet power manager, has the little stamp saying that it's energy saving technology, has a really nice picture of the unit, and says that I can save on average $25 a year on electricity by using this product, and it says that it includes cable ties. On the first side, we have some nice little information here. It talks about how it's 7 plugs, surge protected outlets, has 2100 joules of protection, 47 decibel EMI RFI noise filtering, which is basically electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. So it delivers what they call clean electricity, so there's not a lot of vibration and overall electronic interference. Audible alarm, basically telling me when the unit goes bad, which is actually not a feature I've seen on a lot of these, so that's really cool. And it has a 5-foot cord. So the reason I got this, since I already have one under my main desk, is I'm doing a little bit of rearranging in this room, and this is going under the table that it's on right now to have all the hardware that I have, like my printer, my secondary laptop, and things such as that are going to be run off of this, and it's just an overall good upgrade that needs to be done. So on the other side, you have a lot of technical jargon, and it's basically, you can't tell because it's blurry, but we'll see if it'll focus. I doubt it. But so basically, it's 7 outlet power manager. It gives you the amperage and all those kind of things. There we go. Now it fixed out. Load rating, line voltage, and a whole bunch of jargon that says that this product is amazing, and we promise it won't blow up when you plug it in. On the back, we have a super detailed description of everything. Talks about how it saves power and money by automatically powering off peripheral devices when the main component is shut down or goes into standby sleep mode, which I mentioned earlier. It talks about how it protects equipment, maximizes performance, and then it says the same thing in 2 or 3 other languages. And then gives a very descriptive picture and has all the lines talking about what each component is, and then has a bunch of amendments or addendums to what it says above, and says I have a 1-year warranty. Okay, let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm curious if I can do this one-handed here. Let's see. Okay. And for those of you that are wondering, I bought this at Best Buy. I got it price matched because I have no problem telling you Best Buy is overpriced on just about everything. And I'm about just to tear this damn box. Okay, I cannot do this one-handed. I'll be right back. Wait. I got it. Cool. Alright. So, like I was saying, if you are going to buy anything at Best Buy, I would highly advise against it. But if you are, the only reason I bought it is because I had a gift card. But if you are going to, definitely bring your phone and use it to look up the prices on Amazon. Because I've actually seen Best Buy double charging for what Amazon will sell it for. So, moving in here, we pull it out. And we have here a cardboard insert. Come on. This is really hard to do one-handed. Come on. Hope I'm not making y'all too nauseous. Get out there. Thank you. So we have some documentation here with search engine noise filtering. And I'm sorry, but if you need instructions on how to plug something in, you need a lot more help than what's in this piece of paper. So it basically just reiterates everything that's on the box and tells you when and if it's their fault. So that's cool. We have some protective plastic. Everybody loves protective plastic. And then we shake out the box and more documentation, which is probably another language. More documentation. The hits just keep on coming, and I think it's empty. Cool. So, this is a bunch of documentation from Rocket Fish. Oh, and the cables. Ooh, and they're colorful. Cool. That over there. More documentation of crap. And basically the other things in 2 more languages. Okay. Here it is. We have all the protective plastic, and it basically looks like it's already has a recessed area in here that has a bunch of information. Black text on black plastic. Great idea. And then here's what it looks like. Has its shiny little energy saving technology. Has the button as usual. It says grounded and protected, so these I guess light up. Do that. Has always on, so it's constant power. Master controlled, and then master. So basically, whatever I plug into here, which will be my laptop, these are all sourced off of that. So therefore, when I turn this off, this will also be turned off. So this is going to be like the printer and some other stuff. And then the always on feature is going to be like my stand-up fan. Alright, so flipping it down here on the end here. We have the energy saving switch here, which we'll see it says energy saving, and hopefully the focus on this thing is terrible. There we go. And you'll see it says off and on. Right now it's on off. I'm going to switch it to on because I like saving money. And okay. One thing to note, if you buy this, the switch does not go all the way to either side. So don't try to force it. You might break it. It just goes over a little bit and you're good to go. So, yeah, that's basically it. You have your 5-foot cord. It's very nice, very hefty cord. The whole thing feels very solid and just like ready to work out of the box. Has this nice little coating on the prongs. It's the 3-prong plug with the ground plug. And it is a flat against the wall 90-degree plug, which I like very much. And so, yeah, that is the Rocket Fish 7-watt or 7-outlet protected power control unit. I bought a lot of stuff from Rocket Fish. This is not a Rocket Fish endorsed video. However, if you ever have a choice, I would highly recommend going with them. Their stuff is usually a little bit on the less expensive side, but there's definitely not a drop in quality. So until next time, this is the facial hair, and I'll be seeing you.